pleasure. It is my pleasure. Anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be here.
It's so lucky to have the privilege to share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 15th year anniversary. Like, like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, and not only that, you can act. You know, that's a very magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oo, maarte lang.
Wala akong na-stretch. Ano naman yung
Ay, si Susan at si Amara nagkakaroon. Hello!
Sergeant, thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya man is in Miss Rich.
Bisaya, ang good ko. Uy!
Ito.
Salamat kaayo kay, ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalat ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog yung
Ano ka? Gumagalit yung gusto.
hindi yung kinanta natin dati. Oo, yun.
Nakin ka na lang.
Oo, namalat ka din. Sa pajulit-julit ko I love that song. And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I love the way you sang it. It was very sincere and the ad-libs in the end. Yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang makaya ito. Hindi parang, eto yun.
Siyempre,
Anyway.
kanari pa si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary.